We got 3, 2, 1. We got oh, Chase.
Oh snap! Hello. You guys never left, did you? Anyways, we love you guys. How are you guys doing? How's your day?
How's everybody?
How's your weekend going? Alright, so
we got another unboxing.
And it's from Chalice Collectibles again.
So
Our good old friends.
This is gonna be a big one right here. It's called the 4th of July fireworks, baby. So I'm expecting some fireworks, baby, fireworks. Let's go, man. So this has all exclusives, Chase and Vaulted. Oh man, are you excited for that? Let's see, what are some of the possibilities there?
We got the, I believe that glow-in-the-dark Wolverine unmasked.
Oh, man, that's a major hit right there.
You got that Winnie the Pooh.
Flock. Oh,
Flock
shoot,
version.
that is super old.
Is it
man.
a Flock?
Yeah, it's hairy. Yeah.
And then we also got a SpongeBob.
Ooh.
Metallic Genie.
Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Metallic Captain America.
Oh man.
Is that a metallic
Mandalorian?
a Mandalorian?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think that's a metallic one also.
Oh no.
Metallic Whis.
Oh my goodness. A lot of metallics.
This one's also metallic, right?
I think it's just a Damask.
Damask
Chaco.
or Chaco and
Aang from
The Last Airbender.
It looked like a
The metallic one, right?
glow in the dark chase.
Oh, it's a Chase.
Yeah, glow.
Alright, so
Oh my goodness, that is some of the top pulls, but we could actually pull anything. Man,
I know there's another box in a box.
we got
Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Well, technically we got a box in a box with
we
small
got
boxes.
boxes. So these are the baby ones now.
See, these are the baby ones.
Ooh, 6. They limit 6 per person.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh
6.
my goodness. Well, what are you feeling, Moose? What are you feeling? You feel good about this batch?
Well, you gotta ask yourself one question. So, do you feel lucky? Well, do you?
You've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
I don't know. I think I do feel lucky, and I'm going for number 4.
Okay. Quattro of the...
Okay,
It's a little bit...
I'll make a maneuver it.
a little shaky. A little tight there.
Okay, we'll just pull off one here, and then
Let's see what we can pull the loose one in. Make some room. Kind of like a Jenga there.
Jenga.
Jenga.
So I said number 4. This is number 5. So we're not gonna pull number 5. We're pulling number 4.
There you go.
Okay.
So, any numbers there? Nothing, huh?
No numbers.
Wow,
Okay,
this is
so
completely blind.
this is like
Oh my goodness. I'm excited.
drum roll, please.
Here we go. No comments in this one. It is
I feel stickers.
2, 1.
It's a Harley Quinn.
That's
Robin.
LA Comic Con exclusive Magma.
Mad Love.
LA Comic Con. As Robin.
Yeah, I know you guys are shocked too, but like, I'm wondering. Hey, it's not bad.
Yeah. So this is the LA Comic Con 2019.
So it's last year's, huh? Okay.
So it looks like it's from, it was shared with Hot Topic, I think.
Oh.
Interesting. What do you feel about that one there?
I love Harley Quinn.
Yeah. Harley Quinn.
Yeah, you're gonna say, oh, you don't like DC. I said, some characters I do not like. Harley Quinn is one of my favorites. Okay, don't bash me because of that. Okay, guys, I know you're gonna think.
I'm gonna go with box Uno right here.
Uno? This is hard, huh?
The pool is huge. Yes.
Alright.
So, yep, no markings on here. This is completely blind.
I need to dehydrate.
Completely blind. No comments. All exclusive Chase and no volatility. Okay.
Woo.
I feel it. Interesting. I think there's a sticker. There's a sticker on here.
A sticker?
So 3, 2, 1. We got
Warriors.
Warriors.
Come out and play.
Hey Vic, man, we could have sold you this one too, man. So if you watch our
Video.
Ceremony Toy Show, Vic the Slick was going for this one. Wow, we pulled like 4 of these already now.
I believe we pulled. Yeah, I think we pulled 4.
And yeah, this is a
The fourth.
awesome video, right? I mean movie.
Oh yeah.
Warriors. So yeah, Vic, man. Yeah, you don't have to go shop, man. We just pull it for you directly.
Right? Like if you lose that one, you can hit him up. Hey,
whatever he wants, we seem to pull every time. The Batman too.
oh really?
Yeah.
So that was number 1, right?
Yep.
So this will
Bad.
be.
It's all exclusive. I mean,
I'm bowling number 6. I'm feeling lucky.
uh-oh. He's feeling lucky, guys.
All right. The opening. Oh, here it is.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Fireworks, baby. Fireworks. Fireworks.
Stickers. Okay. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We got
Oh God.
King of Thrones. Arya Stark. It is a spring.
This is a spring convention limited
So
edition
that is
exclusive.
a ECCCCCCC
CCCC.
exclusive. Arya Stark.
Ugh. I don't even know why I pulled that one.
Moose is very disappointed with Arya Stark there. Alright, so
That was I opened number 6.
6. So it's 1, 4, 6.
Yeah. So this.
Let's need 2. I'm gonna go
Two,
with number 2. 2 from the box bit.
Yeah, there's 2 in the box.
Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can feel. I kind of want to go with something expensive. This one has stickers too, I think. We got 3, 2, 1. We got Chase. We got the Chase one this
It's a
time.
metallic, right?
Oh man, the Chase one. We got the regular ones before. Now we got the Chase.
Thank you, Mark. No, I'm just joking.
We pulled the Chase powering up, I think, and then now
Yeah.
the Chase.
And then we got and then you also got the regular one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And, so there you go. What's what does he said again?
Gatling gun is over 9,000. Oh yeah, and spoiler alert. Collector, didn't we meet the voice actor for this guy?
The Japanese
The
one.
Japanese voice actor?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
We met him.
Crunchyroll. Maybe we'll get that video someday on the channel. It's
So how
still
did
in
you
there.
feel about him though?
He's super cool, yeah.
He's I think he's one of the most chillest person, especially Japanese voice actor.
Yeah.
He hecka cool, man. I like him a lot.
So on our last video, what is my favorite Dragon Ball Super character? You guys guessed in there.
Comment down below. This is I'm opening number 3.
3.
This is the last one for you, Mr.
You got number 5, I think.
Yeah. Hold on,
So
I'm just putting these back here, guys. Hold on.
that's fireworks right there, I tell you, man.
That's fireworks.
Chase Vegeta.
Oh god, these things are so hard.
Here we go.
Okay.
That's what she said.
Oh! Oh no. Dos,
There
tres.
we go. Oh my goodness. We'll just keep on pulling them, man.
Hey, Victor Slick.
We got another one, man.
We got another one, man.
I told you don't have to buy them.
Just hit him up.
Hit them up, hit them up, hit them up.
Hit him, bro. Hit him up. Hit him up.
Oh my goodness. So we got the finale. Woo! Watch, it's gonna be the Warriors again. Get the Warriors! Let's see. Can we pull something good? Oh, I don't feel any sticker on this one.
Nothing?
Alright. 3, 2, 1. We got Game of Thrones. Jorah Mormont.
Mormont.
Oh my goodness. You know, but yeah, man. What is your favorite dare moves?
The metallic Vegeta, baby.
That's
Chase.
the obvious one.
Yeah.
We pulled what?
Woo.
2 Game of Thrones.
Yeah. The 2 warriors.
2 Warriors. Vegeta, and then what's the other one? Forgettable. Anyway, my favorite is the Vegeta chase as well. That was the highlight there.
And it's a chase. Oh, that's
We didn't get one of the main top pulls, but we're happy nonetheless.
Yep.
Yeah, we tried, man. Anyway, like this video, give a like,
Comment.
subscribe.
For all our social media.
Go ahead, turn on the notification bell
Ding ding.
so you can be notified for new videos.
Yeah.
Anyway, stay safe and stay
Stay-
jolly, my friends.
And now he's laughing. Sounds like he's drunk. What the hell is it? I am the Prince of Perverts. The Emperor of Exhibitionism. Giant Impacto.
Your eyes. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Come,
Cat ears.
I'm looking for a chance to cross the line. I'm not afraid. This could be the end.
Why do they always blow up? That's what I want to know. Like, seriously.